Want to learn more about the first OnePlus Nord with AI features and the first-of-a-kind smartphone in its price range? Well, this video is for you. Hello everyone, today we have an exciting review for you. We are diving deep into the brand new OnePlus Nord 4, the first ever smartphone in its price range with amazing AI features. This review will take you through everything you need to know about the OnePlus Nord 4, from its unibody design that's sure to turn heads, AI features, to its famous OnePlus fast and smooth performance and entertainment capabilities. So let's get started and see what this incredible device has to offer. The first thing you'll notice about the OnePlus Nord 4 is its unibody metal design. This phone brings back the elegance and sophistication of metal in a way we've rarely seen in recent years. Crafted from a single piece of aluminum, the OnePlus Nord 4 feels incredibly premium in hand. The unibody construction isn't just about aesthetics. It's about providing a robust and durable frame that ensures your phone can withstand everyday wear and tear. The all-metal body is designed to evoke a sense of strength and timeless elegance, making it both a pleasure to hold and a standout piece in any setting. OnePlus has gone above and beyond with the design, addressing the challenges that come with a metal unibody. The engineers have redesigned the inside of the phone to accommodate modern 5G antennas, using compact U-shaped antennas that fit seamlessly within the metal frame. This innovative approach ensures that the phone maintains strong and reliable signal reception, turning the metal body into an amplifier for even better connectivity. But it's not just about the technical marvels inside. OnePlus has also focused on the exterior, offering 3 unique finishes that cater to different tastes. The Obsidian Midnight finish is perfect for those who love a dark, understated look with a touch of strength and permanence. If you prefer something more striking, the Mercurial Silver variant features 2D laser-etched design, resulting in a stunning play of light and shadow. And for those who want to stand out, the Oasis Green finish offers a vibrant two-tone color scheme that's guaranteed to catch the eye. Each of these finishes not only looks fantastic, but also feels great to the touch, thanks to the meticulous craftsmanship that OnePlus has put into every detail. Now, let's talk about the brains behind this beauty. The OnePlus Nord 4 is packed with AI features designed to make your life easier and more efficient. OnePlus has integrated advanced AI capabilities throughout the phone, ensuring that it can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. For convenience, let's divide the AI features into productivity and creativity. And now, let's take a look at the productivity features. One of the standout features is AI Recording Summary, which can transcribe your meetings in real time, allowing you to focus on the conversation rather than taking notes. This feature is incredibly useful for professionals who need to keep track of important details without the distraction of manual note-taking. In addition to AI Recording Summary, the OnePlus Nord 4 includes AI Summary, which helps you stay on top of your emails by summarizing long threads into concise, easy-to-read highlights. This means you can quickly get up to speed with your inbox and news without having to sift through every single message or paragraph. Another AI feature is the AI Writer, which helps you to respond to messages and emails on many social media apps. Now let's talk about the features that are designated for creativity. AI Eraser helps you to remove the passerbys, objects that you don't want on your photo, making sure that the moment belongs to you and your loved ones. Another AI feature that's used for creativity is the AI Smart Cutout. This feature lets you select the subjects on the photo and make stickers with them. Perfect tool for social media users. What if I told you that now you don't have to reshoot the group photo several times and make everybody wait? The AI Group View feature identifies the people who accidentally close their eyes and open them automatically. This is a truly amazing feature. OnePlus has also thought about connectivity. The AI Link Boost feature ensures that you reconnect to your mobile network faster when you step out of signal black spots, such as elevators or underground areas. No more waiting for your phone to catch up. The OnePlus Nord 4 ensures you stay connected no matter where you are. The last but not least, the heart of these AI features is the machine learning Trinity engine. This revolutionary technology optimizes the phone's CPU, RAM, and ROM to keep everything running smoothly. The CPU Vita component uses AI to balance high performance with system load, intelligently reducing power consumption when it's not needed, and even extending battery life. RAM Vita accelerates memory management, making multitasking a breeze and ensuring that apps stay open and ready for use even after 72 hours. And ROM Vita acts like a meticulous librarian, constantly organizing and optimizing your phone's storage to prevent fragmentation and maintain performance. Performance is where the OnePlus Nord 4 truly shines. At its core is the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, a powerhouse designed to deliver a significant boost in both power and efficiency. This chip is not only faster than its predecessors, but also more efficient, ensuring that your phone can handle the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or streaming high-definition content, the OnePlus Nord 4 provides a seamless and lag-free experience. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip offers a 65% faster CPU and 130% faster GPU compared to previous generations, making it perfect for gaming and graphic-intensive applications. With options for up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the OnePlus Nord 4 ensures that you have plenty of room for all your apps, games, and media. This means you can say goodbye to slowdowns and hello to a seamless experience, whether you are switching between multiple apps or playing the latest mobile games. The cherry on the top is that the OnePlus promises 4 + 6 years of software support. This means you will be able to enjoy Android 18 in the future and 2 more additional years of software updates. Another important point is that the OnePlus Nord 4 is the first ever smartphone that has received a 72 months lag-free certification from the well-respected TÜV Rheinland. But it's not just about raw power. The OnePlus Nord 4 also features a large 5500 mAh battery that supports 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, where 5 minutes of charging can give you up to 5 hours of Netflix watching. And you can go from 0 to 100 in just 28 minutes, ensuring that you are never left waiting for your phone to charge. The battery is designed to last with over 1600 charging cycles, equivalent to more than 4 years of use, while retaining over 80% of its original capacity. This longevity is thanks to OnePlus Battery Health Engine technology, which uses AI to optimize charging habits and maintain battery health. One more important thing is that OnePlus Nord 4 comes with a smart charging feature. So if you are playing an intense game and need to charge, the phone will maintain the charging speed and the temperature of the smartphone. Finally, let's talk entertainment. The OnePlus Nord 4 features a stunning 6.74-inch Super Fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 2772 and 1240 and a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate. This means everything from gaming to scrolling through social media looks incredibly smooth and vibrant. The display boasts 1100 nits of local peak brightness, and the peak brightness reaches up to 2150 nits, making it easy to view even under bright sunlight. With Ultra HDR technology, your photos and videos will look their best, as the display adjusts brightness and clarity to match your environment. We also know that the PW dimming can develop headaches and eye strain, but not in the case of OnePlus Nord 4. It's equipped with the 2160 Hz of PWM high-frequency dimming. Well, you already know what it means. On the camera front, the OnePlus Nord 4 doesn't disappoint either. It supports a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony LYT600 sensor, designed to deliver high-quality imaging, especially for portrait shots. The camera includes advanced RAW algorithms providing flagship-level clarity and the detail in all your images. The built-in optical image stabilization ensures that your photos are sharp and clear, even if your hands are a bit shaky. For those who love taking selfies, the OnePlus Nord 4 features a 16 megapixel front camera that's perfect for capturing high-quality portraits. The AI Group View feature is particularly impressive, as it ensures everyone in your group photos look great, adjusting eye positions to make sure that everyone is looking at the camera. This feature is a game changer for social gatherings and trips, where getting the perfect group shot can be a challenge. In addition to the main and selfie cameras, the OnePlus Nord 4 includes a 112-degree ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and wide group shots. The camera setup is designed to provide versatility, allowing you to take stunning photos in a variety of settings, whether you are capturing the beauty of nature, a bustling cityscape, or the special moment with friends. The OnePlus Nord 4 has you covered. But the entertainment features don't stop at the display and cameras. OnePlus has also focused on audio quality, with dual stereo speakers that deliver immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or playing games, you'll enjoy rich, clear audio that enhances your experience. The phone also supports a wide range of audio codecs, including SBC, AAC, aptX HD, LDAC, and LHDC, ensuring high-quality sound with compatible devices. So, there you have it, folks, the first ever smartphone with AI features in its price range, the OnePlus Nord 4. It is a powerhouse of a phone wrapped in a sleek, metal unibody design. With its advanced AI features, blazing fast performance, and top-notch entertainment capabilities, it's definitely a device worth considering. The unibody design not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides durability and strength. The AI features make your life easier, from transcribing meetings to summarizing emails, and the Trinity engine ensures your phone stays fast and efficient for years to come. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset delivers exceptional performance, while the large battery and fast charging ensure you never run out of juice. The stunning display and versatile camera setup make the OnePlus Nord 4 a perfect companion for entertainment and photography enthusiasts. And with dual stereo speakers and high-quality audio support, your multimedia experience is taken to the next level. Thank you for being part of this exploration journey of the OnePlus Nord 4. And until next time, stay groovy, stay curious, and never settle. See you on the next one.